The basic CAPM formula that's used to predict an investor's required rate of return for security A is the return on A is equal to the risk-free rate plus the return on the market minus the risk-free rate times the beta of security A. Notice that we can also write this as the risk-free rate plus the risk premium on the market times the beta of security A. So the risk premium of the market is the same thing as the overall return on the market minus that risk-free rate. So if we know the required rate of return for a stock, the risk-free rate, and its beta, we can actually find the risk premium on the market just by rearranging this equation. Let's look at an example. Suppose security A has a required return of 11% and a beta of 1.11. If security B has a beta of 0.97 and the risk-free rate is 3.5%, what is security B's required rate of return? First, let's use A's information to find the market risk premium. Using the CAPM formula, we're told that security A has a required rate of return of 11%, the risk-free rate is 3.5%, and we don't know the risk premium on the market yet, but we do know that security A has a beta of 1.11. We can just back out the risk premium on the market and we find that it's 0.0676, 6.76%. Now we can use CAPM to find B's required rate. The required rate for B is the risk-free rate plus the market risk premium and times the beta of security B. We found all this information, so we just plug it in and we find that the required rate of return on security B is 10%. We can also use CAPM on a portfolio of securities. The beta of a portfolio is simply the weighted sum of